ZLDI8, a specific inhibitor for ADAM17, ameliorates acute pancreatitis in experimental animal model. Acute pancreatitis is the most common cause of hospitalization among GI diseases. Better management and care have decreased the mortality, but no targeted therapies are available for the disease. A disintegrin and metalloproteinases, ADAM, are a group of membrane-bound proteases involved in cleavage and release of active form of cytokines and other signaling molecules. Earlier, we have reported that combined inhibition of ADAM10 and 17 provides significant protection from acute pancreatitis. Recently, ZLDI8, a specific inhibitor for ADAM17, has become available. The aim of the study was to evaluate the efficacy of ZLDI8 in ameliorating the severity of AP by ADAM17 inhibition. This is the schematic showing a 2-day surveillance model in which ADAM17 inhibitor was given at 9 hours and 24 hours, and sacrifice of mice was made at 32 hours. ZLDI8 improves pancreatic histology in cerulean 2-day AP. On the left is the AP-only mice histology, and on the right is the treatment group showing significant improvement in histology. This is another field showing the same. It not only improves the pancreatic histology, it also improves lung histology as shown here. On the left is the AP-only group lungs. On the right is the treatment group showing improvement in histology. It also reduces serum amylase in cerulean 2-day AP. As you can see, the serum amylase is coming down with ZLDI8 treatment. And ZLDI8 also reduces pancreatic and lung MPO, that is myeloperoxidase levels in cerulean 2-day AP, in the pancreas as well as in the lungs. This is the picture showing the immunohistochemical detection of ADAM17 in human pancreatitis samples. On the left is the control, and on the right is the human chronic pancreatitis slides showing good staining for ADAM17. ADAM17 is highly overexpressed in human pancreatitis compared to normal human pancreas. This higher magnification showing the increase in staining in human chronic pancreatitis as compared to the control. To conclude, therapeutic treatment with ADAM17 specific inhibitor ZLDI8 significantly decreased acute pancreatitis and improved systemic inflammation associated with lung injury. This study further supports our earlier observation on the role of ADAM17 activity in exacerbation of acute pancreatitis. Thank you.